everyone, I'm Charlotte and this is the Daily where we talk all things skincare, fashion, fitness, and nutrition for women over 40. So today I have a Trendsend video for you. This is like my third or fourth box. You do know that I'm trying out the subscription service that basically you get a stylist who styles you for $20 each edit. And that $20 gets deducted from anything that you decide to purchase. So as usual, I'm gonna list and link everything that I try on in my description box. So if you want to try this, feel free to use my link and then we both get a bit of a discount. It's really awesome because when you do try this service, you kind of are forced to think outside the box because somebody else is kind of styling you. I mean, they do give you opportunity to kind of tell them what your style is. However, some of the pieces that they've picked for me so far have been pieces that I would not have picked for myself. So let's go ahead and jump on into the video. All right, so they sent me September Style and I was styled by Ashley. It's a little pamphlet that they send to you and then they kind of describe like outfit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 outfits with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. So basically they do, this haul is a mix and match haul. So this is one that kind of makes several outfits, which I always appreciate being able to use pieces for different outfits. I think that's great. There seems to be a couple of pair of pants in here, a couple tank tops, cardigan, jumpsuit, a couple of a bodysuit. The one thing that I wonder about is there's a jumpsuit. It's called a Scout jumpsuit, and it's by Peyton Jensen, and I'm hoping that it's not one that they already sent me. But it could be. Maybe they sent it in a different size. I don't know. So these are Pixie skinny jeans. Really pretty wash. I hope you can see that through my blinds. I'm going to back up just a little bit. Really pretty wash. Very skinny. I think the back looks really nice. I love the pocket detail. It does have a little bit of a lighter color stitching. I love that. Hopefully you can see it. And the wash looks pretty washed. And then other than that, very classic, no distressing, which I can appreciate that because, you know, we all kind of get tired of distressing. These jeans are called Edwin. And these are the jeans that are $188. So I don't know why they keep sending me these pricey jeans because honestly, you know, it's kind of like a pin in the balloon because I don't even really want to try them on to love them because who's going to spend $188 on a pair of jeans? Not this girl, but I'll try them on for you guys. This is a little tank top and I really do love the neck on this. It's really pretty. It's kind of that smocked neck with a little bit of ruffling on the top and it's kind of cropped. It's a really cute neck. And then it does have a bit of a long arm hole here. I don't know about that. And then it has buttoning in the back. And these little buttons are gold buttons. And let's see, they do work. They are snapping buttons. It's kind of a heathered white. And it's $44.99, originally $88. It's a size small. The name of the brand is Nation. So this is a $44 tank top. The fabric is super thin fabric. This is a bodysuit by Z Supply. This is in a size medium. Now, I'm not sure why they sent me a size medium. It looks kind of big, and maybe that's the way it's supposed to fit. It's $68, and it is a ribbed bodysuit. So that's a bodysuit. Now, I'm not sure if maybe they know that this particular suit runs tight in the crotch area, you know, if it does some pulling and they just size up for everybody, but this looks like a really big bodysuit. And then these buttons do work. So working buttons, black ribbed bodysuit. It looks like this is a very similar to the one that I already had. I don't know, maybe it's a little different. I can't remember. I have to go back and take a look at my past hauls, but it's in a size small and it's an olive green and I'm really liking this color thanks to you guys. I didn't think this color really went with my skin tone too much, but apparently you guys like it on me. I want to show you this. The material under the underarm is a little different. So it's kind of stretchy and it's got some ribbing and then it goes back to that kind of silky, slippy fabric. 94% polyester, 6% spandex, contrast ribbing, you know, the ribbing under the arm is 88% rayon and 12% spandex. It does look like it has pockets and the bottom is, it has a little bit of that dolphin cut right through there, because you know I love a dolphin cut. So right through the leg area there. This is by a company called Spiritual Gangster. It's a small, $48. Create kindness. So this is a white, very thin, I'm going to call it a muscle shirt. And it's got a kind of a wider crew neck there. And it looks like a little bit of a dolphin cut. Looks like it comes up a little bit on the sides. Okay, this is the cardigan. This looks a lot like that bodysuit. So it's thicker than the bodysuit, of course. It's like a sweater or a cardigan material. It's got some larger ribbing here, and then it's got some smaller ribbing at the cuffs, as well as at the bottom. It's got some smaller ribbing. It does button, if you can see that. This is from Sanctuary. It's an extra small, and it's $99. So, okay. These jeans are high-rise Catherine boyfriend. They're from Cut from the Cloth. They're size 0. And of course they have your distressing, so. They have a little cuff here at the bottom that you can definitely unroll. The pockets. And let's see, how much are these? These are from $89 to $69. So these are $70. These are more of a reasonable priced jean. So let's see what those look like. That's it. So let's go ahead and start trying on. You know, they kind of selected all the outfits, so I'm just going to follow what they said, how they put the outfits together for me. So these are the boyfriend jeans. This is the little muscle tank. And this is the cardigan. And then I put these on with my Time and True from Walmart. These are my wedge suede booties that I really like. You could also wear black booties to kind of tie everything together. This cardigan is really cute and cozy, and the length of the arms is really nice and long. Just reminds me of like fall and winter. It is really warm and cozy. Love the length of it and just the way that it looks when it's open, just like this. So this is really a cute, shorter cardigan. The jeans, I think that they are, I mean, I'm sure that they're supposed to be a little oversized, but we'll start with the jeans. They're very, very oversized. So as far as the waist area, they fit really pretty good everywhere. Loose and ill-fitting in the waist. So these are size 0, and I'm not sure how much they'll shrink. Really cute jean though. They just don't really fit that well. I'm gonna go ahead and untuck this muscle tank. That's just what I'm calling it. There is a bit of dolphin cut through here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off this cardigan just to show you this muscle tank. I would definitely front tuck this, only because otherwise I feel like it's kind of a tent through here. And the underarm it fits really nice. It doesn't pull too much, it's not too big. So that's a cute cut. What do you think of this? I mean, the jeans just feel like they're just too big in the waist. They just really are too big in the waist. And they could be for a taller person. I will definitely leave my measurements. But these definitely run big. Yeah. Here's the little crop necked tank top. And then I have that paired with these pixie jeans that are $188. So these are skinny jeans, and they fit a little different. So they're really kind of baggy through here. And then the legs, they're tight, but not too tight. And they have a little bit of stretch to the jean. And then I went ahead and folded the jean I cuffed the jean at the bottom so that I could wear them with these bone color booties. But the pockets are nice, and the wash is nice. I am noticing there's a little bra showing here. Not too much actually. A little bit right through here. But you could definitely wear a different type of bra. This is a thinner tank top, so you could definitely wear like a cardigan over it or a blazer. I think it looks really cute with these bone colored booties from Walmart. Some of my favorite this year. As far as the wash, I'm liking the wash. I'm not loving the fit. The fit is just, it's just different. Like it just doesn't fit well. But what do you think? Here's the bodysuit that they picked for me, and I have to tell you, this is a size medium, and I think that they knew what they were doing when they picked a size medium. I thought it was gonna fit big. So sizing up to a medium is really, really good. And I do have this paired with the pixie jeans. These are the black. I think it goes really well together. I love the bodysuit. So this is probably something I will keep. I really love the neckline. It's really nice. The buttons are nice, and just the overall fit is just a really nice bodysuit, and this is probably something I'm going to keep. So. Right, I'm pretty sure that this is one that they sent me before, but I think this is in a small instead of an extra small. And you guys tell me what you guys think of the fit. I did pair this with my Amazon pumps that I featured in past videos. I think this is a really pretty outfit. And the neat thing is I feel like this could really pair well with as a work outfit. So I will show you the back, and then I'm gonna put on a blazer and show you what that looks like. This has a nice big piece of elastic through here, and it's probably, I would say, 1.5 inches, and then this cinchable tie. So you can definitely kind of tighten things up with this tie. This is a little baggier through here, so I would probably wear like a camisole underneath instead of a bra. Nice wide bands here, and the back has a pretty V in the back. So this is a really classic kind of a jumpsuit with some modern style as well. I think it pairs really nicely with the pumps. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my scoop jacket on, my scoop blazer from Walmart, so that it does look more office wear like. What do you think of this jumpsuit? By the way, there are pockets in this jumpsuit, so that's nice. All right. Okay, that was the end of the haul. You have to let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. If you liked anything in the haul, let me know. If you didn't like anything in the haul, let me know. I'd love to hear your opinions because they always go a long way with me. Everything is going to be listed and linked below. If you do want to try Trendsend, go ahead and go through my link. And thanks again for tuning in, you guys. I hope you love these kind of videos. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe right now. Be a part of this fun community of gals. We just have so much fun around here. I wouldn't want you to miss out. So until next time, God bless you.